All right, guys, we're going again. We're going for the final meeting with the surgeon. I got Daryl's driving, and we got Pup Camper 58 in the back seat. Oh, we got a lot of traffic here on 95.
Oh, great.
So all this is I'm sure I imagine. I'm going to guess another X-ray is a certainty, right?
Yeah, oh, definitely.
They'll do another X-ray, take a look at that. They'll get me on the table, move my leg around, poke and prod, and answer a bunch of questions, and that'll be it.
Yeah, he's got to make sure that bone's growing into that.
That's right.
The implant part.
Yeah. Make sure everything's in the groove.
Yep.
So, and we need to stop by Best Buy and Tractor Supply.
Yes, please.
Best Buy, I have walkie-talkies ready to go.
Good idea. Yeah, I need to go there myself. I need to get an adapter so I can plug my phone into my TV outside. Forgot about that.
Well, they'll have it, I'm sure.
Mm-hmm.
So when we leave Saturday, Lisa will be still there. Do we know, is Lisa definitely moving up to
I think so.
She has to go to Parker.
So does she know what day is she going to be there alone?
She has to be there on the 9th.
Well, I'm asking, is she going to be there in camp by herself?
Oh, yeah. If you and I leave, yeah.
Looks that way, yeah.
Yeah, she's going to be there by herself. I'm sure she'll be fine.
I feel a little bit bad about that. I know what it was like to be the last one.
Yeah.
It's not a good feeling.
You're usually the last one.
I'm usually the last one, and it's not a good feeling.
I've always worked every year, camp hosted every year, so I was always the first one out because I had to be all the way back in Tennessee by the 1st of April.
Yeah, that's the part that sucks about this, but you think we'd be used to it by now, but no.
Yeah. It doesn't get easier, does it? So the phrase "see you down the road" is pretty universal.
Yep.
Yep.
I never say goodbye.
Yeah.
I always say see you next time.
Daryl and I don't live that far apart.
I'll probably be down that way.
Yeah, well, I'm going to be there all summer. I'm probably going to be there for the rest of this year.
West Virginia,
Yep.
Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads.
Yep.
I'm from a good old Rocky Top.
North Carolina.
No, Rocky Top, Tennessee.
Tennessee. Yeah.
All right, we'll take a peek at the road. We're on 95 South, heading. He's only doing about 100 miles an hour. Okay, maybe not. But we're headed south on 95, and I'll check in with you again after the doctor's appointment, and we'll tell you all about what he said. Well, here's an update for you. We're in Yuma. Haven't been to the doctor yet. We on our errands. I went and picked up a pair of these Cobra walkie-talkies, so Cheryl and I can talk to each other when we hit the road on Saturday. Picked those up at Best Buy, and we're now at Tractor Supply where Cheryl is picking up some dog food for Clover. And we pull up here, check this out. Look at that. Can I zoom on this? Yeah. Hopefully it'll focus on it so you can see it. I want it to focus on it. Oh, he's in the way. He's just as curious as I am. Wait till these guys go by. They're curious as I was about it. Keep going. See, that little tiny Jeep is $6,000, but they have it priced at $5,999.99. And let's see, and there's the entrance to the store, and you can see, just in case, before people make nasty comments, yes, there's a handicap placard. This is not my vehicle. It's Daryl's, and he has a handicap placard. So please don't be yelling in the comments. I think we're gonna head to Black Bear Diner. Whoa, that was a little too close, huh? We'll see you at the Black Bear. I got the Turkey and Avocado Club, and Daryl, what the heck is this?
Man, I don't know what you call that, but it's a lot.
It's a monster.
It's the Whoa Burger. Whoa Burger, and Cheryl got the diet plate.
Chicken.
Yeah, she got Old Faithful.
That's
chicken fried steak.
Chicken fried steak.
Yeah, that's my go-to.
Well, I just got out of the doctor's office, and nothing but good news. He said it's healing up nicely. He did drain 50 cc's of fluid out of the seroma, just as a preventative thing, since I'll be on the road driving in a couple of days. And he absolutely endorsed not only me driving, and he said, you don't really need the cane. I mean, if you happen to know you're going to go for a long distance, I'd bring it with you, but I don't recommend you do any long distances anyway. And I asked him about the other hip, and he said the other hip looks really good. He said you could go, who knows, 10, 15 years before that might become a problem. Put me back on aspirin. Said I don't have to wear compression stockings on the road trip, just the mechanical thing that squeezes your leg. He said that would probably be a good idea. And Cheryl, did I miss anything?
No, I think you got it.
I think I got it all. And I discovered I was missing this very expensive Bluetooth microphone, and I was hoping it was left in Daryl's car, and when I went to get in the car, it wasn't there. And I thought maybe I left it at the Black Bear Diner, and sure enough, I called them up and they said, yeah, we have your fancy Bluetooth thing. So we went and got that. I wanted to show you what the hip x-ray looks like, and here it is right here. This is what it looks like. I am now officially the bionic man. And I'm going to send it to my nephews and say, now your uncle is definitely hip. You have a hip uncle. They're laughing. My nephews will just roll their eyes. But we're headed back to Quartzsite. Cheryl went to the Verizon store to look at maybe upgrading her phone before tariffs make iPhones really expensive. And she discovered something I didn't realize, but and I think I've heard it before, I just didn't register, that if you go to the store, they hit you with all kinds of extra charges, activation fees and all kinds. How much? $140?
$140.
Which could be completely avoided by doing it yourself online. Isn't that ridiculous?
It is.
It is. It's silly. And I was saying, I bet those stores lose a lot of business because of that.
I thanked him for his time and went away on my merry business.
That's crazy.
So this will end today's video, and tomorrow will be my work day, and our friend Frank is going to come over and hook up my trailer and get it ready. We're going to hit the road, and we got these fancy schmancy Good Buddy 10-4 Good Buddy walkie-talkies, so Cheryl and I can be
so we can say, pull over, I have to pee.
Pull over, I have to pee. I was trying to think of that old TV series about the truckers, but I can't remember what it is.
Breaker 19.
Breaker 19. What's your 20? Do you see that Smokey in a plain brown wrapper at mile marker 20? All right, thanks for watching. I'll see everybody tomorrow.